I am extraordinarily pleased to be here today on behalf of the Honourable Navdeep Bains, Minister of Innovation, Science and Economic Development for the Government of Canada, to announce that under our Strategic Innovation Fund, Burloak Technologies will receive $14 million to construct a world-class additive manufacturing technology centre.
So we're proud to join our colleagues in the federal government and add to that with a $7 million investment in your company.
Samuel, through its investment in Burloak Technologies, is committed to leading in this exciting new area of the manufacturing industry.
We've really been at the forefront of developing this technology over the past several years, and we've now brought it to a point where we're ready to start industrialising this and taking it to the next step. And that's really why we're here today.